Welcome back to Deck Trains, the series where we look at a different set of trains from the collection every week. It's week 101. Made it past 100, folks. So we're going to bring back a variation of week 44. It's a BR23 Loco. This is the 1992 Roco Museums Edition, number 43 to 48. BR23. It's numbered 105. It's the last one in the series of 23s. And this is a 262 Prairie steam tender Loco pulling 3 coaches from Lilliput. 2 of the number 89604 blue and cream second class express passenger coaches. And 1 of the 89704 blue and cream second class express passenger coach, which basically is just a different road number. The first 2 BR23 prototypes were built in 1941. They were war locomotives, which after World War II went to East Germany. The records from the DB indicate they were both scrapped in East Germany by 1975. A newer series of 105 units were put in production post-war starting in 1950. There is a lot of video footage of BR23-105 as it has joined the museum in Nuremberg in the early 80s. And it survives in preservation today. This baureihe, or class, has a distinction of being the last steam engine put into service in the DB. They could achieve a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour at 68 miles per hour while hauling modest passenger trains. Our model runs at 58 kilometers per hour at 50% power. Our train is running past a pair of Wiad structures, to repeat the idea from last week, and we're looking at a number 552 Wannsee Station with restrooms and a number 579 station platform with kiosk. These are my first 2 Wiad railway station buildings as gifted to me by my father in 1961. And how can we forget? In part 2, we're bringing back the Fleischmann 5568 track cleaning wagon. This is one of the newer generations with the NEM pockets, so that we can match the Merkel and Roco style couplers.
Ja,
Please check out next week's episode. It will be an electric BR 112 locomotive pulling more TEE first class coaches. Thanks for watching, folks, and stay healthy.